Hello guys, today we are going to install local LLM model. You don't need internet to use it, so pretty important to have it locally. And you don't need to buy tokens from Claude or other big companies. So what do I have here? It's a LMStudio. You can download it from the internet. And when you launch it, it will look like this, most likely. So I already have one model. I can find it here, or I can find it in this place, but let's delete it. When you open it from scratch, you will have something like that with this amazing user experience to find models. This small button. We got what we got. Sorry, but user experience is not a piece of cake, especially for LM models. So here we have a huge set of LM models, different ones, and all of them are available. You can download any of them. For instance, this one will take up 6 gigabytes, and it's pretty fine for my machine. So here I have this green tooltip, green badge that, okay, it's fine, you can use it. I can find a Gwen, Gamma. I'm going for DeepSeek, and I want for a reasoning model, so it will be R1. Let's say I put it in the search, and I have a huge number of models. I have something to choose from. It can be best match, most liked. Let's see, the most liked model. 4 gigabytes. This is actually pretty acceptable. But it was updated to, let's say, 1 year ago. Probably not the best approach. More downloadable. Still pretty old one. Recently uploaded. Yeah, 23 hours ago. This may work. But I want it to be lightweight. So I went for 1.5 billion parameters. For instance, yeah, one of them. Let's download this one. So, in the details, we have some explanation. What kind of model is that? What kind of problems was solved? Some links to see how fine-tuning was working for different models. I mean, basically as on GitHub or on Hangface, a lot of details. But what we wanted, just to be downloaded. You see, it takes less than a minute. So we can wait. We don't need even to wait. We don't even have time to make a cup of tea. We got this button used in a new chat and information that it was downloaded. Load model. We will just close all of this. We can see some parameters, some settings, like temperature, system prompt, all the details. But we're going for a simple version, and we will just start with our fresh downloaded model. So we choose it, and let's ask something. Hello, man. Who are you? I'm DeepSeek, artificial intelligence assistant, so it works basically. What is the capital of China? We have its reasoning, and also it spends some backends. I am DeepSeek, where one as is created DeepSeek. Yeah, so basically we got the answer, Beijing. Basically, that's it, and now we can adjust it and change some parameters. We can actually boost this up to some value. It's context length, pretty important parameter for us. GPU offload, so for context length it's maximum number of tokens. For CPU, for GPU, we can adjust the number of threads and some additional experimental parameters. So pretty much that's it. We have a local model. But we have some buttons to interact with, and also the most important part, we can upload files. I have prepared one file, and we can just send it to the model. We can see it's going for retrieval process. It looks like there is no chunking for this. Yes, there is no chunking for this pretty small file, and we got some citations based on this file. What do you know now? So, retrieval, and it explains me about the context of this article. So basically, it's a context. Have you done chunking for this file? We can see we got some conversation tokens spent. So it does go. Anyway, we got model. It works locally, works fastly. It's R1 for reasoning. For coding, it should be R3. And pretty much that's it, guys. Thank you.